Hi, I'm talking about hot flushes in women, premenopausal and postmenopausal for a few years. And hot flushes, the woman will feel heat, the sweating, and hot flushes, meaning the face will become red and part of her body will become red due to the dilatation of the blood vessels and raising of the blood temperature inside the core. And why? Because premenopause and postmenopause, the estrogen hormone, which is female hormone, will become less. But also there is estrogen hormone, but in a smaller amount secreted by the adrenal gland, which is above the kidneys, as well as by fat cells under the skin and by skin cells. So the fat cells and the skin cell are also, they work as endocrine glands and secrete hormones. So the estrogen is less, and this will stimulate and give signal to the brain, to the hypothalamus. And the hypothalamus are a few nerve cells which are under the thalamus. And the thalamus is the hub for receiving sensation from all over the body, from outside the body and from inside the body. It's just like hospital triage, which control the input of patient and divide them into different departments. And this is the thalamus inside the brain. And these are nerve cells, and there are nerve cells under the thalamus, which is called hypothalamus, and the center to regulate the temperature of the body is in the hypothalamus. So it will be stimulated because of low temperature and because it is stimulated also by estrogen hormone. Estrogen hormone is low, so the stimulation of the cell is low, and then the body will feel low temperature and immediately will start to react and raise the body temperature and dilate the blood vessel. There will be sweating and flushing redness on the skin of the face, of the upper part of the body and the shoulders. And this is all due to dysregulation of the temperature of the body. And how could we help ourselves by natural means to prevent these? Of course, we should know that women in the countryside and in Japan, they have less hot flushes than women in the cities, in the westernized, civilized cities. Why? Because of the stress. So ladies, before they should learn how to relax by doing yoga, meditation, and relaxation, and walking, exercises, and Pilates. Whatever suits them to relax to reduce their stressful life. And then as far as the food is concerned, there are herbs which is called cohosh, COHOSH, and also red clover. Red clover in Arabic is al-barsim al-ahmar. And this will, this also where it is, the cohosh, it could be black or golden. And there are phytoestrogen in the plants. Phyto mean a plant, estrogen mean estrogen in the plant, like flaxseed. Tofu. Tofu is a kernel which is made from soya milk. By heating the milk to 70 degrees centigrade, and then we add vinegar. Or for example, for 1 liter milk, we add 100 ml vinegar, or 1 lemon juice, or nigari, which is from sea salt in Japan they use. It contains magnesium, and this will curdle the soya milk, and then we will sieve it in cheesecloth or in a sieve, which is small holes, to make it as soft cheese or hard cheese by pressing on the tofu to take off as much water as possible. And tempeh, Tempe, which is very traditional food in Indonesia, and it is also from soybean, but it is fermented by certain type of fungi, and it is used instead of chicken meats. They cook it and they add spices, and it is very healthy, and it contains protein as well as phytoestrogen. Berries, carrots, sprout when we sprout the plant. Soya food, as we said, soya milk, soya yogurt, tofu, tempeh, and some vegetables. Also cool environment, healthy fatty acids like fatty fish, nuts, unsaturated fat like olive oil, avocado. And then to maintain ideal and healthy body weight, because ladies who are overweight, they will suffer from hot flashes more than those ladies who maintain a healthy body weight. So the nuts, the flaxseed, and sometimes the patient will need HRT, but they have to be careful about the dosage, because high dose of estrogen, it might lead with a few years to cancer of the breast, and I have seen a few cases like that. So it is better to manage the lifestyle and to live healthy lifestyle and relaxation and avoidance of stress or managing the stress. I hope you will have good health, and subscribe to the channel and spread the knowledge and the information, and thank you. Bye.